out there. Ndewo nu ndị be anyị. Abụ m Maazị Okafọ, onye nkuzi Igbo, the Igbo tutor. I am now live to continue our lesson, from last week. We agreed to meet here every Saturday for this special session. In case you are just seeing us for the first time, I am the Igbo tutor, the anchor of the YouTube channel, the Igbo tutor. We agreed to be doing this live session every Saturday to afford our subscribers and community the opportunity to practice what they have learned through our videos. We have a lot of videos in our channel. So if you are joining us for the first time, avail yourself of quite a number of videos we have in our channel, interesting ones indeed. Go right there, subscribe, and watch our videos. But for this live session, we do this to give our subscribers and community opportunity to practice what they have learned and measure their level of progress in Igbo study or Igbo language mastery. That is why we created this live session. Ndewo, Faith Babara, no, I've seen you. So this live session is meant to give you opportunity to practice what you have learned over time, and then also exercise yourself, because there's no point learning the language without speaking it. We appreciate the fact that many of our students are scattered all around the world, where some of them don't even have anyone to practice with or to challenge them to speak. Some of them that even make attempt to speak are, made mockery of. They boo them, they laugh at them, they jeer them, and they are discouraged. They never tried again. And that's why we created this forum to allow our students and whoever is interested to come on board and try to learn and speak and then test their level of knowledge of Igbo language. So here we resolve issues, here we challenge ourselves, here we push ourselves beyond the limit to put to practice what we have learned in the course of studying Igbo language, either through my own channel or from any other channel, because we have many Igbo channels in YouTube. So wherever you are, or whatever channel you are subscribed to, it doesn't really matter. If you are seeing me right now, you are in the right place. Come on board. Let's challenge ourselves to speak Igbo language and to write it. That is the only way you can be sure you understand this language, right? Hearing it, speaking it, writing it, that is the best way you can assure yourself that you are Igbo speaker. So you are welcome on board. Let me welcome those who are already here. Faith Babara is always the first to be here. And she didn't, Barbara, sorry, I'm missing the name again. Barbara, you're always the first to be here, and you have made it first today again. We also have Chikezie McDonald. Thank you for coming on board. They will know. We also have Ellen Ozua, Mrs. Ozua. No. They will. We have, who again? Clement Emehe is here. They will. Appreciate all of you for coming on board right on time. So let's do this together. Remember, we are continuing from where we stopped last Saturday, and we are not wasting time at all. We began practicing how to make short sentences using the Igbo alphabets we have learned over time. Last Sunday actually, we shifted our lesson last week to Sunday because my Saturday was fully booked. So we shifted it to Sunday. So we met last Sunday and we had a nice time. In our lesson last Sunday, we ended up with alphabet Ng, that is N with dot on top, pronounced as Ng, not Nwe, not Ne, but Ng. That was where we ended our lesson last Sunday, and we're continuing right from there. So we are going to the next alphabet because we don't want to waste time. We want to make sure that those of you who are here now just get the best you can get. And those who are going to watch this video later on are not just held down without getting into the main lesson, because that will discourage them from watching further. So we move on right away. We are continuing with alphabet Nwe, which is NW. In case you are just joining us today for the first time, I advise you to go back to our channel, click on live to see all the videos we have done, all the live sessions we have done so far. Therein, you can watch them and then come to speed with what we are doing at this point. We stopped at part 6. Today is part 7. So you do yourself a great favor to go back and watch all the episodes so that you can come to speed with those of us who are here now. Thank you for doing that. And then don't forget that we also have our books, e-books, which are special ones for that matter, that has audio voice, my voice there. The link to the ebook too is in the description box of this particular live session and the previous ones. Check out our bookshop, buy one of those books. They will help you to progress faster in your Igbo language mastery. So we're going on today. Remember, we are in alphabet NW, which is Nwe, Nwe. So which word are we looking at? Which word are we considering now? We are considering Nwani, Nwani. Please, if you are hearing me, indicate you are hearing me because I'm using mic. I want to be sure my mic is working well. If you are hearing me, say Ainano or Anamano, I'm hearing, or just write, it's okay. Just write okay. Let me be sure you are hearing me because I'm using mic today. So please, let me be sure my mic is working well. And also indicate if the sound is okay, not for you. If the sound is okay, if you are hearing me and you're hearing me clearly, please indicate if I'm using mic. Okay. Mrs. Ozua has said, okay, okay. I want to hear from the rest. Is my voice clear enough? Are you hearing me? Okay. Let me say, hey, that's fine. So that means I'm communicating. So that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Odema. Okay, Kaigani, let's go forward. That is Kanigani, let's go forward. So we are in alphabet NW, and our word today is Wani. Wani. Who can guess what is the meaning of Wani? Wani. What is the meaning of Wani? Put it in the chat session. Let me challenge you now. What is the meaning of Wani? Okay, first say that Amano. Okay, that's fine. What is the meaning of Wani? Nwani with dot under. What is the meaning? Wani. What is the meaning of Wani? Okay, wife. That's great. First said wife. Okay, any other option? Wani means okay. Anamani. Okay. Chikezie anamani. That's wonderful. Anamani. I was asking for the meaning of Wani. Clement said, Wanyigi, okay, Wanyigi, okay, wife, okay, Zua said wife. That's great. Okay, Wany can means wife, you're correct. Wan also means woman, generally, that's one. Okay, but if you say Wanyigi, it becomes your woman, which means your wife, as the case may be. So that's where we are. Fine, we got it right. So now, okay, Wany, woman, that's fine. So let's now make our sentence with Wani or Wanyigi. Let's take it like that. The sentence is, listen attentively, we're going to write now. The sentence is, Wanyigi ono n'ime ụlọ. Wanyigi ono n'ime ụlọ. Is your wife inside the house or is your wife in the house? Wanyigi ono n'ime ụlọ. Is your wife in the house or at home or inside the house? Is your wife inside the house or in the house? Nwanyị gị ono n'ime ụlọ. Now shoot your shot now. Let me know who is shooting first. Right now. Nwanyị gị ono n'ime ụlọ. Nwanyị gị. Oh no, Miss Ozua has written. Ozua is ready to fire today. She wants to take first position today. She's not joking at all. Ozua has written Wanyigi and no Nime Ulo. Almost there, almost there. Chikezie has written. Chikezie is still writing Wani woman. We are past that stage. We have made our first sentence, and we are asking to write our first sentence, which is Wanyigi or no Nime Ulo. Mrs. Ozua, you can still listen to me and correct yourself better because your sentence is not very perfect. Nwanyị gị ono n'ime ụlọ. Try one more time. This is Ozua. Try again. Just listen to me. Nwanyị gị ono n'ime ụlọ. Try again. You're almost there. You're almost there. Chikezie, you are still writing the meaning of nwani, but we are past that stage. We are already talking about a sentence. We have made a sentence with nwani, and we want you to write our sentence. Okay? Nwani gị ọ nọ n'ime ụlọ? Nwanyị gị n'ime ụlọ. Mrs. Ozua, instead of correcting yourself, you have cut off part of your sentence. You have cut them off entirely. Okay, I think you saw what you have done is wrong. You are coming back again. Nwanyị gị ọ nọ n'ime ụlọ? Only two persons I'm seeing responding, Mrs. Ozua and then Chikezie. Where are the rest? You are not writing. Nwanyị gị ọ nọ n'ime ụlọ? Where are the rest? You are not writing. Nwanyị gị ọ nọ n'ime ụlọ? Is your wife or your woman inside the house or in the house? Yes, Clement has written. Ozua has written. Okay, Chikezie has written. Okay, I'm still waiting for Mrs. Ozua to correct herself. Okay, Ozua is here. Nwanyị gị anọ n'ime ụlọ? Okay, Mrs. Ozua, you got 99%. The only thing you miss is or no. Or no. Okay? The person that got it completely perfect is Clement Emehe. Let's look at Clement's sentence. Clement. Chick is it right, but the or no. The O has to be separate. It's like a pronoun, so it has to be separate. So Clement Emehe got it correctly. Nwanyị gị ọ nọ n'ime ụlọ? Please look at the chat session and look at what Clement wrote. That is the perfect answer to that. You need to look at that and adapt that. If you are writing, please write that down in your notebook as the correct answer right now. And if you just stumble on us now, maybe you are just seeing this live session right now, please, we encourage you to join. I am the Igbo tutor. We do this to give all Igbo learners and speakers all around the world the opportunity to practice speaking Igbo language. Perhaps you have been learning Igbo from other channels, but you never had a chance to speak to somebody or practice what you are learning. We give you this opportunity now to come on board so that you can join us to practice writing and speaking Igbo language. It's a language speaking drill. So wherever you are, you're just coming across us for the first time, just join this live session. It's going to be interesting. And I'm sure you're going to learn a lot from here. So don't hesitate to join us right now. Whether you are Igbo or not Igbo, married to Igbo, doing business with Igbo people, wherever you are, you'll find this session very helpful to you. Okay? As corrected has said, one, you're going to that's right. That's the correct answer. So we are done with alphabet Nwi, which is NW. We're going to next alphabet. What is the next alphabet? Please write the next alphabet. Write the next alphabet. After Nwi, what is the next alphabet? Write it right now in the chat session. Who is writing that? The next alphabet right now. Nye. As Ozua, you're on fire today. That's correct. The next alphabet is Nye, N-Y. Ozua is on fire. I hope they will give you your fire emoji because you deserve it today. Nye, that is the next alphabet. And the word is, okay, the word is nyere, nyere, which is gave, the past tense of give. Give is nye, but gave is nyere. The past tense of give is gave, which is nyere, okay? So our word now is nyere, okay? And the sentence is, Chineke nyere m ego. Chineke nyere m ego. God gave me money. Chineke nyere m ego. God gave me money. Who is shooting now? Chineke nyere m ego. God gave me money. Who is taking the first position? Shoot your shot now. Ozua, where are you? You want to take first today? Now shoot. Chineke nyere m ego. Sorry, we are temporarily logged off by the network, Nigeria network. So we are back on now. So who wrote first? Okay, Chikezie McDonald was the one that shot first. Chineke nyerem ego. Followed by Ellen Ozua. Chineke nyerem ego. Followed by Clement. Chineke nyerem ego. All of you are correct. Okay, Mary Jane has come in now. Marijana rather has come in. Chineke nyerem ego. That's great. Today we are going to have a tight competition. No one is giving up. Chineke nyerem ego. But Mary Jana, I'm not happy that you use small letter to start writing our God. Our God is bigger than that. You don't use small letter to write our God name, Chineke. So please, next time, we forgive you now. Next time you use small letter to write our God name, we're going to find you. Talking about Marijana, Alec. Next time you do that, we're going to find you. So, but all your write-ups are correct. You can, the M for possessive at the back, nyerem ego, me, that is M. You can join it together, you can separate it. Whichever way you wrote it, they are all correct. So those of you that join nyerem together, you are right. Those that separated it like Ozua, you are okay. Clement did not separate it, it's still fine. Okay, Marijana separated it, is fine, right? So is all accepted. We are moving forward to the next alphabet. So what is the next alphabet after Nyi? Somebody should drop it. Drop the next alphabet in the comment section. Drop the next alphabet. Okay? Drop it. Who is dropping it? Oh, Ozua is on fire. O, which is pronounced as O, not O, is O. O without dot under is pronounced as O in Igbo. That is our real O. So Ozua is on fire today. Ozua, appreciate your effort. You are really for this lesson today. Ozua is on fire. Okay, that is O. And the word we are looking at is okay. Okay, which is rat or mouse, whichever way you call it, rat or mouse. That is our okay, okay. So that is the word, okay. And the sentence is, okay, Chikezi have written okay, that's right. Our sentence is, okay, tara azum, okay, tara azum, rat or the mouse ate my fish. Mouse or rat ate my fish. Oke tara azum. Oke tara azum. Rat ate my fish. Okay, Chikezie has written Oke tara azum. Okay, Chikezie, you want to overthrow Mrs. Ozua. You want to overthrow her. Ozua will not agree. Oh, she has come up again. She has fired also. Okay, tarazum. Okay, that's great. I'm waiting for others. Rat ate my fish. Okay, tarazum. Okay, tarazum. Oh, Clement Emehe, your sentence is not complete. Okay, tarazum. Okay, tarazum. I told you today, Mrs. Ozua is really ready to challenge anybody today. She's firing all cylinders. She's firing all cylinders. Okay, Clement, you've not corrected your sentence. Okay, Tara Azum, rat ate my fish. Okay, Tara Azum. I don't know what is happening to Clement, whether it's his computer or phone keyboard that is the problem. I know he does better than this. I hope he's going to come up. I know he does very well. So Clement Emehe, wake up, wake up. Others are pushing you back already. So who got that first? Okay, Tara Azum. Chikezie McDonald got it. Mrs. Ozua also got it. That's correct. Okay, Tara Azum. We move on to the next alphabet. After O, what is the next alphabet? Okay, Clement, you have tried to correct yourself, but you are Azu. You need to have dot under. That's the right alphabet. Azu. You must have dot under. That is O, Azum, not U. Is O. You with dot under. Azum. Right. By now, I've expected everybody to have gotten the Igbo alphabet. in your phone or your computer. Simple. Go to the setting, keyboard setting, look for Kwati Igbo keyboard, select it and add it to your normal English keyboard, or download Igbo keyboard online, good one. You can always use any of them. So, but be sure you are downloading from safe sites to avoid harm to your computer or phone. In alphabet O, according to Mrs. Ozua, which is correct, and Chikezie, those alphabets are correct. O. So what is the word? O. The word is okuko. Okuko. Okuko, which is chicken or hen. Chicken or hen. Chicken or hen. Okuko. First, somebody should write okuko for us before we make a sentence. Write okuko for us. Yes, Ozua, drop it. Okuko. I know you can. Okay, Ozua had done that, Okuko. But first, Chikezie took the first position to write that before Ozua fired in. Ozua is really, really on fire, ready for this business today. Ozua appreciates Ndewo, Jisike, that is well done, okay? And then Clement, Chikezie appreciates. Okay, so Okuko, that is it, that's the spelling, that's very correct. Now, what is the sentence? The sentence is, Ọkụkọ nọ n'ezi. Ọkụkọ nọ n'ezi. The chicken is outside. It's outside. Ọkụkọ nọ n'ezi. The chicken or chicks are outside. Ọkụkọ nọ n'ezi. The chicken is outside. Outside the compound. Ọkụkọ nọ n'ezi. Chicken is outside the compound. Ọkụkọ nọ n'ezi. Wow, I can't believe it. This is Ozua. You have really made progress. Ọkụkọ nọ n'ezi. Chikezie, you are right too. I'm afraid many of you are not contributing. What is going on here? Right? This is Ozua and Chikezie are just moving on and firing, and I'm not seeing other people. Chikezie, okay, Clement, and Chikezie, and Ozua. They are the three people that are really, really serious and contributing. Where are the rest? Where is my sister, Barbara? Where are you, Barbara? Where are the rest people? You are not contributing. I'm not seeing your inputs. Please, let's do this together. It's sweeter it's merrier and sweeter when we are doing it together, when we are more in number. I know some of you prefer to be writing, but it's good to write. But when you write and contribute, you learn faster. It sticks more to your brain when you are writing and listening and making attempts. That serves you better. So please, don't just listen and take notes. Try to contribute. Okay? So Marijana, that's good. I've seen your contribution. Marijana, Okoko, Nezi, that you have tried. Even the only thing you miss is that there's one word you miss. I said Okoko, no, Nezi. So you have missed one word entirely. Okoko, no, Nezi. So Marijana, correct your sentence. You tried, but you yanked off one sentence, one word entirely. Okoko, no, Nezi. So Marijana, correct your sentence if you're hearing me now. It's important. Okoko, no, Nezi. I'm waiting for your correction, Marijana, even as we move to the next alphabet. Okay? After alphabet O, what is the next alphabet? Okay. Clement may say, add the mobile busy. Gamti. Okay. He will be listening. He's a little bit busy. Okay. Faith Barbara say, Anna Magor. Okay. I'm on my way to work. No wonder. Ellie knows who. Okay. I've given all the alphabets. That's great. Okay. That's good because I'm curious why some of you are not contributing. Now I know the reason. Barbara Liebi. Oh, Barbara Liebi. You are now here. Lieba. Is it Lieba or Liebi? I think it's Lieba. Barbara Lieba, welcome on board. Happy to meet you today. Happy to see you in our live class. Is this Lieba or Liebi? Please correct me. I don't know whether I'm right. Barbara. Okay, ọkụkọ nọ n'ezi. It's obvious Barbara has not got her Igbo keyboard. So your ọkụkọ is not having their O, alphabet O, they are not having dot under them. It could be that maybe you don't have the Igbo keyboard yet. Please try to do that. Set that in your phone. Go to setting, go to keyboard, look for QWERTY Igbo keyboard. Select it and add it to your keyboard setting. Then when you open your keyboard, you have two keyboard toggled together where you can select whether Igbo or English at will. You press on any key and hold it down, it will display Igbo options. Then you select the one you want. You can also download Igbo keyboard online from safe sites, please, not anyhow sites. Okay. So we now have Marijana contributing, she has corrected herself. Ọkụkọ nọ n'ezi, that's great. But Barbara has also written ọkụkọ nọ n'ezi, even though her alphabets are not perfect, but that's okay. That shows we are together. Now we've done alphabet O. What is the next alphabet? Drop the next alphabet. Uzua, where are you? Drop the next alphabet for us. Who is doing that? Drop the next alphabet. We are in P. Sorry. We've not done alphabet P. I was still correcting O. Now they have dropped the next alphabet already, which is P. Now what are we looking at? The word is pota, 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 which is come out. Pota, come out. So someone should drop the spelling of pota. Drop it for us. Come out. Pota, pota, come out. Okay. Chikeze had dropped it. That's very correct. Pota, come out. Okay. Ozua had dropped it. Correct. Pota. Ozua is on fire. Chikeze, thank you. That's correct. Pota. So what is the sentence now? Pota n'ebe ahụ. Pota n'ebe ahụ. Come out from there. Pota n'ebe ahụ. As you talk to your children at home. Pota n'ebe ahụ. Pota n'ebe ahụ. Pota n'ebe ahụ. Come out from there. Maybe it's a dangerous place that can hurt them. You want to talk to your children. Pota n'ebe ahụ. Come out from there. Pota n'ebe ahụ. Can you drop the sentence for us? Who is dropping the sentence? Chikeze had done that. Pota n'ebe ahụ. Very, very fine. Chikeze, thank you. Ozua, I'm waiting for you. Pota n'ebe ahụ. Great. Who else is dropping the sentence? Who else is dropping? Two people have dropped their sentences. Pota n'ebe ahụ. Come out from there. Pota n'ebe ahụ. Okay. Two people have dropped their sentences. Where are the rest? I'm waiting for you. Okay, Marijana. Pota n'ebe ahụ. Great. Great. But Marijana, ahụ. The U also have dot under. So that's the correction for you. Pota n'ebe ahụ. That ahụ. The U also has dot under. It's not ahụ, it's ahụ. O. The U is a light vowel with dot under. So you have to put it there. I'm talking to Marijana. That is the only correction I need to make for you. Others got it correctly. Pota n'ebe ahụ. Apart from that correction for Marijana, the sentence is correct. Where are the rest? I'm waiting for who else? Barbara Lieba, where are you? Drop your sentence. Choose to be listening and writing only. Make effort, okay? Try, okay? And look out for what others are doing. Some more people have joined us already. So if you have just joined us, just indicate by saying no, they won't know, or none. Let's welcome you if you have just joined us. Because more people have come on board, but I've not known those who have come on board because they are not contributing, they have not said anything. Just if you have joined us now, please drop your greeting. Let's know you are here. Say they will say no, so that we know you are here and can welcome you officially. Because I know all of you by name. I want to be sure I'm not missing out anyone. If you are joining us for the first time or you are an old timer, please drop a greeting. Let's know you are here. Now we've done P, pota n'ebe ahụ, right? We've done P. What is the next alphabet? What is the next alphabet? Drop the next alphabet. What is the next alphabet? Okay. Ben said they won't know. Yeah, that's what I want to see. I want to be sure I know those who are here. Ben. You are welcome, Mr. Ben or Miss Ben. I don't know whether you're a man or woman, but it should be man, Ben. Okay. They will know. Okay, Dalo. Who else is here? Okay. Okay. Mary Jane, I hope you are not writing in German. Marijana, I hope you are not writing in German because anyway, you have deleted that because we didn't get what you wrote. Maybe it's a German language, not English, obviously. Okay, we are in the next alphabet, R. Okay, Barbara, that's good. You are contributing now. That's alphabet R. So, what is the word? The word is rafue, rafue, which means deceive. A verb, deceive, rafue. Drop the spelling for us. Rafue. Okay. Ben say deep bakambo. That's great. Ben say I'm a man, a strong man, not just a anyhow man. Very big and strong man. I'm not a woman. Ben no. Dalo deep bang. Okay. Okay. So that's Ben for you. Okay, Chikezie McDonald's. I've written the spelling rafue. That's fine. That is the correct spelling of the word. Rafue, deceive or lead away, lead astray or deceive. That is rafue. Ozua has also written that. Rafue. Ozua is on fire. Ozua, no give chance at all today. Ozua, thumbs up for you. And the Chikezie, both of you are competing. Who will go to win today? Marijana is also coming in. She has written Rafue, which is correct. Marijana, Ali, great. Our newest wife. Thank you very much. That is our latest wife. That is Marijana. So you're welcome. Now, Barbara, our wife to be, also has written Rafue. All of you, none. You are welcome. You're making a great effort. Okay. Now we are taking the sentence. Okay. Chikezie, oh, I don't want to use your name. You are not a deceiver. Let me look for another name to use. Okeke. Okay, let me try another sentence. That's a little bit complicated or harder. Okay. Ekwela ka ha rafu. Sorry, I'm going to take it small. Ekwela. Some will say ekwena. Okay, if you're in Anambra, you say ekwena. Ekwela ka ha rafue ge. Don't let them deceive you. Ekwela ka ha rafue ge. Don't let them deceive you. Okay? Chikeze has written. Ekwela ka ha. Okay. Barbara said she used ekwesu. This Faith, you are very funny. I thought you say you are driving. Why are you now suggesting Ekwensu? Ekwensu is a deceiver. Barbara says she uses Ekwensu for the deception. But Ekwensu is the one that has that title, a deceiver. Ekwensu, that's Satan. Okay, I'm going to come back to that. I'm going to use Ekwensu for another sentence. Barbara, I'll use Ekwensu. Just trust me, I'm going to use Ekwensu. So, Ekwela kahara fuegi. Okay. Also, I said, Ekwela kahara fuegi. Bembam said, Ekwela kahara fuegi. You're on fire. All of you are making great effort. Who has not written? Okay. Okay. Faith Barbara, you only suggested Ekwensu for the sentence, but you didn't make your own sentence. You just used Ekwensu and you ran away. Very funny. Okay, Marijana said, Ekwela kahara fuegi. Okay. Okay. Barbara, that Chikeze has written what we know Ekwensu for. That is sentence for Ekwensu. Chikeze has written Ekwensu bo onye nrafu, which means Satan is a deceiver. That is the real sentence for Satan. Chikeze has written that. Just look at chat session. That is what Chikeze has written. That Satan is a deceiver. Satan is a deceiver. Ekwensu bo onye nrafu. Okay, that is correct. But let me come back to corrections. Marijana, you look at what others has written to correct yourself, because you are Ekwela. The only thing you miss is Ekwela. I'm talking to Marijana now. You miss the alphabet KW, which is ekwe. The alphabet is KW, right? Not KU. You wrote EKU instead of writing EKW. Okay, I'm talking to Marijana. Okay, so you correct yourself now. Marijana is Ekwela, EKWELA, Ekwela. Don't allow, don't agree, Ekwela. So, Marijana, correct your sentence now as we move on. It is Ekwela Kahara Fuegi. Other people got it. You are the only one that needed correction, right? So do your correction now, Marijana. Alik. Is it Alik or Alik? Okay? Whichever, but Marijana is right. So do your correction. Okay? Ekwela Kahara Fuegi. Okay, Barbara, you've got it right. That's the correct thing. We've done alphabet R, which is Re. The next alphabet is what? Drop it. What is the next alphabet? Drop it. After Re, what is the next alphabet? Right? What is it? Drop it. Ozua. Okay, Chikeze has beaten Ozua to this. Okay, Ozua has come in. I believe Ozua would have been first, but sometimes message from Germany is not coming fast to this place. Right? Okay, Barbara is there. S. Okay, that's correct. That's the alphabet. C. And the word is sere. Sere, draw out. As you draw out water from a well or a deep enclosure. Sere, draw out. As you draw out water. Sere. Can somebody drop the spelling for us? Sere, draw out. As you draw out liquid. Sere. Okay. Chikezie is there. Sere. Ozua, where is your spelling? Sere. Just try. Sere. Chikezie has dropped his own. I'm not sure whether it's correct. I want to see Ozua's own. Sere. Barbara, try your own. Ellen Ozua has dropped. Barbara is there. Barbara has woken up. Barbara has caught fire. Okay, Barbara, that's good. That's Sere, draw out. That's correct. That is the spelling. You all got it. Now the sentence. Sere miri na olulu. Sere miri no lulu miri. This is a little bit difficult. Sere miri no lulu miri. Olulu miri means well. Olulu miri means well. It's a compound word joined together by a hyphen. Olulu miri is well, deep well. Okay? So, sere miri, no lulu miri. Okay. That's a little bit complicated. But Chikeze has given it a good shot. Sere miri, no lulu miri. Okay. Chikeze has given it a good shot. I'm waiting for Ozua and the rest of them to give it a shot. Try. Okay, Ozua, McDonald is here. Okay, Chikeze is see the one that I'm having here. Who else is trying? Sere miri no lulu miri. Okay, who else is trying? Bemba has come. Sere miri no lulu miri. Okay, great. Marijana has come. Sere miri no lulu. Okay, almost there. Only that she forgot the last word. Sere miri no lulu miri. Marijana. Sere miri no lulu miri. You stopped at olulu. You did not complete the sentence. Okay. Ellen Ozu has come. Sere miri no lulu miri. Okay. I know it's going to confuse some of you, but you have made a good effort. So, Marijana, your sentence is incomplete. It ends with olulu miri, but you stop at olulu. So, complete your sentence, Marijana. Complete your sentence. I will not let you go until you complete it. Then, Elinozua, sere miri, you added M before miri, which is not necessary. So, your M before miri is not needed. Is sere miri, draw water. Miri is water. Draw water. Okay? Okay? Okay, Barbara has come. Sere mmiri n'olulu mmiri. That's great. Barbara, you are serious now. You are moving. So I'm talking to Mrs. Ozua. So the M before mmiri is not necessary. It's not needed there. It's sere mmiri, which is water, mmiri, right? N'olulu mmiri. I think that's the only, the other correction I need to make for Mrs. Ozua is no lulu, no lulu. No lulu is N apostrophe comma on top, which is showing that A is not there, supposed to be there. Then olulu is not O with dot under. It's not any other O again. You need to add again. Then you have to look at what others has written and then make correction. Ben got it. Look at what he wrote. Chikezie got it. Look at what Chikezie wrote. Sere mmiri n'olulu mmiri. Look at them for correction. Chikezie is right. Ben is right. Okay. Sere mmiri n'olulu. Marijana tried, but incomplete. Okay, Marijana has come again. Sere mmiri na olulu mmiri. Okay, it's accepted. You chose not to remove your A in front of na olulu. That's okay, we accept it. And Ozua, correction, sere mmiri n'olulu mmiri, that's fine. That is the correct version. You've corrected yourself. That's great. You are showing, you are getting advanced in Igbo language now. You are now able to construct a little bit complex sentence. This is no more simple sentence becoming complex and compound. So you are making progress seriously. The next alphabet is what? Drop it. What's the next alphabet? Drop it for us. C, after C is what? Next alphabet. C, after that is what? Sh. Chikezie, you are there. That is it. Sh. Sh. Okay. She is pronounced she. Okay, that's good. Those who you're right. She. Okay, Barbara, that's your right. She, that's the next alphabet. Yeah. How about Marijana? Are you there? Shoot the next alphabet. Okay. Is she? That's correct. So there are no many words that start with she in Igbo language. So sometimes it comes at the middle of a word. So we use majorly, most of the time we use it for isha, which is crayfish, isha, crayfish, isha. Just drop the spelling of isha. The alphabet comes in between. Isha, Chikezie is there. He has dropped his own. Yes, how about others? This man that said that is Dimpa. I didn't hear him write like Dimpa again, no. Okay, Ben, okay, you are the one, you are still writing. I want to be sure you are the one. Ben, you are Dimpa, you are writing. Isha, okay. Barbara has written Isha. Where are the rest? Some other people have not written anything. Isha. Write your own word, Isha. Ellen Ozua got it correctly. But the first person that got it was Chikezie before Ellen. Barbara, your E must have dot under to make it Isha. Marijana, your I must have dot under to make it Isha. It's not Isha, it's Isha. The I must have dot under. Ndo, Isha. Okay, Ben has corrected himself. Is Isha. Okay, that's great. That's the word. Isha, crayfish. Okay, Clement Mayhem, your I doesn't have dot under, so it's not correct. Right? Correct yourself. You must have dot under. Now, the sentence now. Listen attentively. Tinye isha n'ime ofe. Tinye isha n'ime ofe. Put crayfish into the soup. Tinye isha n'ime ofe. Put crayfish into the soup. Tinye isha n'ime ofe. tinye isha n'ime ofe. Okay, Bembem, shot first, followed by Chikezie. Where is Ozu and the rest? Shoot your shot. Tinye isha n'ime ofe. Barbara, where is the sentence? Tinye isha n'ime ofe. Ozua is here. Tinye isha n'ime ofe. Barbara, I'm waiting for you. Tinye isha. Marijana, where is your sentence? I'm waiting for you. Tinye isha n'ime ofe. Tinye isha n'ime ofe. Put crayfish into the soup. Tinye isha n'ime ofe. Right? I'm waiting for Marijana. I'm waiting for one. Okay, Marijana is here. Tinye isha n'ime ofe. Who has not written? How about Barbara? She has not. Okay, Barbara is here. Tinye isha n'ime ofe. That's great. Put crayfish into the soup. You are all correct. All your answers are correct. Move on to the next alphabet. What is the next alphabet? After sh, what is the next? Drop the next alphabet. Drop the next alphabet. Who drops first? Yeah? Make sure you are not looking at anything. No. If you are looking at your book and dropping it, you are doing expo. We call it expo. You are cheating in the exam. If you are looking at your book and copying the alphabet and dropping it, you are doing cheating. Exam malpractices. That's what you are doing. That means you are not doing it from your head. You are cheating. So be sure you are doing this thing from your head. You are dropping the alphabet that you know already in your head. If not, you are cheating. Let me tell you. So let's go on. So I want to be sure that you are not cheating. You are not just looking at your book that you are writing the alphabet and copying it for us, right? So be sure you are not cheating in this practice, in this drill we are doing, right from your head, right? If you don't know it, don't write. Others will write. Okay, that's correct. The next alphabet is T. Is alphabet T. T, T. And then our word is theta. Theta, wake up. Theta, wake up. Drop the spelling. Theta, wake up. If you are joining us now, or if you just come across this live session, we are doing Igbo language drill. I am the Igbo tutor, Onye Nkuzi Igbo. We have a channel dedicated to teaching Igbo language, and we have uploaded a lot of videos that are so wonderful and so instructive. Those who watch our videos know that they are unique, and you can't watch our videos and remain the same. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, do so. And if you just stumble on us now and you are interested in learning Igbo language, maybe by marriage or by business or by birth, you are Igbo but you don't know how to speak Igbo language, this is for you. We are for you. We do online teaching, offline teaching, direct teaching. We have Igbo books, ebooks. Everything you need is in this channel. Just join us now. Participate in this session. If you're also interested in doing business with Igbo people, you need to speak a little bit of Igbo to curry their favor or whatever. Anywhere you are, that you are just seeing us now, come on board. You can just learn Igbo. It's not compulsory you must be Igbo person. If you learn Igbo, it will help your business transaction with them, help your friendship with them, help your marriage. So just join us and be part of this wonderful session. Here, we do drills on how to listen to Igbo pronunciations, the alphabets, form words, sentences, and then advance your Igbo learning. And also measure your level of progress in case you've been learning Igbo through other channels that is not ours. You can measure your level of progress by joining us here for this live session. So do that now, and we appreciate. Also, if you are here and you have not patronized us, you have not bought any of our ebooks, you are missing a lot. I want those who have bought our books and have gone through it to drop a comment in the chat session about how beneficial the book has been to them. In fact, this is a unique ebook that has audio, text, pictures, everything embedded in one. It is 3-in-1. So you can't watch or listen to a book or read them and remain the same. If you buy our ebook, you are not just buying book, you are buying the teacher with you permanently. because the teacher will be speaking to you every day you open the book. You don't need to look for a teacher. It's self-explanatory. You are going along with the teacher, looking at the note, listening to your teacher is a unique kind of ebook. So if you have not bought any of our books, you are robbing yourself of a great advantage. Go to the description box of this particular live session or our previous ones. Click on that, open the description box. You will see a link to our bookstore. Click on the link to take you straight to our bookstore. Click on any book you want and then click on buy. You select it, fill up the form, pay, and download it. It becomes yours permanently, forever. Thank you for doing that. Those who have done that, we appreciate you. Those who have also given us donations, we thank you so much. We encourage as many of you who have not bought our books to please do that. That is about the only way you can support this project. You can encourage us to, get some money for data and other things we need to do to encourage us to do more. So go right there and buy the book. Even if you know how to speak Igbo language before, you can buy for somebody. You can send to your friend, you can send to your family abroad. You can send to your fiancé or whoever you are into relationship with to learn your language. You can use it as gifts. It's not compulsory. You must, buy for yourself if you know how to speak. Buy for a friend, buy for a neighbor, buy for a family member, buy for a fiancé, buy for a friend. And then let the news go around. Tell somebody about it. Promote it. That's the way you can support us. Nothing more than that. And those of you who have read it, please tell others about it. Drop your comment here now about what you have gained from our ebooks. If it has been beneficial to you, you have gained much from there, let other people hear about it. And let us all support this project. Okay, Barbara said the books are amazing. Ellen also said the books are helpful. Marijana said, Baharam Nana Bahani Mariana Alish. Dalo. Okay. It's Mariana Alish. That's the name. Mariana Alish. Sorry the way I pronounce your name if I don't get it. Chikezie said, Confirmatio Liberis. Oh, Chikezie, I hope you are not writing another language. This is not English. Please try to write in English what you mean if you are talking about our book. Then Clement said, akwụkwọ dị nnukwu mma, daalụ maazị nkuzi Igbo. Okay, you can see Clement said the book is very good. He appreciates us for doing those books. So Chikezie, thank you. Clement, thank you very much. Chikezie, I'm not sure you have bought our book. I've not seen your patronage. Please come on board, buy our book, give to somebody. Marijana has bought the book. Ozua has bought. Barbara has bought. Almost everybody here has bought. Okay, except I have not seen any patronage from who has not bought. Clement has bought a book. So virtually everybody here has bought the book, except Chikezie. Okay, I've not seen his hand. I believe after this session, Chikezie will patronize our book and encourage us to do more. So, okay, Chikezie say wrong message. I know it's wrong message. So Chikezie, I have not seen your patronage for a book. Please, buy today. Buy for somebody. Patronize or support us. Others did not only buy, some of them even give extra gifts to us after buying the book. When they saw the value of what we're giving them, they gave us more money than the value of the book. Some said the book is worth more than the price. So we appreciate all of you and we hope you keep on supporting this project. Email Chugoziegi. Let's go on. We are in alphabet T, which is, and the word is tupu, 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 which means before, tupu. Please, can you drop the spelling of tupu in the chat session? Drop the spelling of tupu, drop it, which means before. That's good. Chikezie, you got it right. Tupu, that's before. Who is dropping again? Tupu. The word is tupu for alphabet T. Tupu. Okay, Clement, you are there. Clement, that's right. Barbara, that's correct. Tupu. Okay. Who else is dropping the word there? Ozua, tupu, that's correct. Who else is remaining who cannot drop his own or her own? Okay. Those spellings are all correct. Let's take the sentence now. Ga zota ahịa tupu ha emechie. Or let me make it shorter. Gaa ebe ahụ tupu ha emechie. Okay, I hope I'm getting the spelling again. Mariana, okay, Mariana. Okay, Mariana Alish. Okay, Mariana is tupu, not tupu. Tupu, okay. Gaa zụta ahịa tupu ha emechie. Go buy the market before they close. Gaa zụta ahịa tupu ha emechie. Go buy your market before they close. Gaa zụta ahịa tupu ha emechie. Chikezie had dropped his own. He had dropped his own. That's fine. Chikezie, you are doing very well. Remember, I said you have to support our bookshop. You have to patronize our bookshop. You have not done that, Chikezie. I'm waiting for a patronage after this session. Okay? I'm talking to Chikezie McDonald. Buy for yourself, buy for your friends, buy for your children, buy for your wife, buy for your fiancé. Anyone. Clement Emehe say, gaa zụta ahịa tupu ha emechie. Okay, noted. Where are the rest? Who else is dropping a sentence for us? Gaa zụta ahịa tupu ha emechie. Ozua is here. Gaa zụta ahịa tupu ha emechie. Great effort. Who else is dropping? 3 people have answered. Remaining about 4 or 5 of you. We are already 10 in number here. Please, if you are just joining us, just drop Ndewo in the chat session or no. Let's welcome you officially. Let's know you are with us here. We're already about 10 people here. So if we have not heard from you or seen your chat, we may not know your name and we may not welcome you officially. So just drop something, say Ndewo, so no in the chat session so that we can welcome you officially. Marijana has written, or Mariana. I want to be sure. Let me go back to the correction. Mariana, okay. Mariana has written, Mariana is gaa zụta ahịa ebe ahụ tupu ha emechie. Wow. Mariana has gone extra. She has added extra to it. Gaa zụta ahịa ebe ahụ. Go buy market there before they close. That is the extended version. Mariana, you're on fire. I didn't expect you to do this. So quick. You are catching up so quick. That is one of our latest wives. She's catching up so quick. Okay, Mariana, appreciate. Gaa zụta ahịa. Barbara, gaa zụta ahịa tupu ha emechie. Good effort. Ozua, I hear it at the first one drop. Yes. Okay. Okay. Ozua said that I hear it at the first one. Drop the answer. Okay. You are saying you drop the answer first. Maybe, but it didn't come in here first. I know it's sometimes network issue. But your answer came in third one. Okay. The first person that dropped here was Chikezie, followed by Clement Emehe. Then Ozua came in. Gaa zụta ahịa tupu ha emechie. But let's do a little correction. Look at all the answers. Among all your answers, the one that is most accurate is that of Chikezie. Why is it so? Zota is you with dot under, is Zota. If you don't put dot under in Zota, it becomes Zuta or Zute. If you say Zute, it means still. So it's a different thing entirely. So you have to have dot under Zota. You have to sound Zota, not Zuta, but Zota. So you under Zota must have dot under. So that is what Clement missed, that what Ozua missed, that what Mariana missed. Okay, that what Barbara Libya also missed. So that is the correction here. Bembe say, because say you are on fire. N'asụsụ Igbo. Okay. Bembe say I should say you are on fire. N'asụsụ Igbo. Ị na-ere ọkụ. Ị na-ere ọkụ. You are burning on fire. Ị na-ere ọkụ. Ị na-ere ọkụ. Okay. Bembe nsala ọkụ. Ị na-ere ọkụ. You are on fire. Ị na-ere ọkụ. You are on fire. Can somebody write that for us? Chikezie, can you write that for us? I know you can do that. Ina ere oku. Who will write it? Chikezie Ozua, who is challenging us? You're on fire. Ina ere oku. You tried. Okay, Ina. Clement tried to make F4, but it's not correct. Somebody else should try. Chikezie, where are you? Okay, right. Inere oku. You are on fire. Clement tried, but he missed ere. Okay, Chikezie, I know you get it. Inere oku. That is it. That is the correct sentence. Chikezie, please look at the chart from Chikezie. That is, you are on fire. Inere oku. You are on fire. That is the right sentence, the right spelling with the correct alphabets. Inere oku, right? That is it. Ina. Okay, those who are tried, ina ere, no. Ina ere is ere, not ire. Those who wrote ina ire, no. It's ina ere, E-R-E, ina ere oku. You are on fire, right? Ina ere oku. Okay, Barbara, it's right. Ben ina ere oku, that's correct. You've corrected yourself, that's great. But Barbara, you need to get the Igbo alphabet, the Igbo keyboard. It appears you don't have it, you're not getting your alphabet correctly the way it should be. Oku is O dot under, U dot under. E, na. That I that begin the sentence is with dot under. That is E, na eroku. Okay? Not E, na eroku, but E, na eroku. So, you get it? That's check Ben on. That is the correct thing there. All right? Okay, Elinozua, you corrected yourself. That's very perfect. Great. Now we are going to the next alphabet. What is the next alphabet? After what? After T. After T, the next alphabet is what? The next alphabet is what? Don't look at your book, oh, don't cheat, oh. Don't look at your book. If you look at anything and answer us, you are cheating. Try to challenge your brain. What's the next alphabet? After T. T. What's the next alphabet? Okay, Clement, that's U. U, that's correct. U. U, okay. Nsaloko is the slang for you. You are on fire or light. Nsaloko. Chikezie says Nsaloko is the slang. Okay, I don't know about the slang, but I'm only giving you the actual Igbo sentence for that. Slang can be, adopted in any form you like. You can even form your own slangs and use it among your clique, and then you accept it among yourself. But when it comes to the generally accepted language, that's the sentence I'm giving you as you're on fire in a rock. You can use any slang, create one for yourself, use, it's up to you. Right. So the alphabet here is U, and the word is Ute, which means mat. Ute, mat. Ute. I've observed that some people have not dropped their, they've not said, greeted us. They are here, but they've not greeted us. They've not dropped any comment. They've not said anything. And we are missing their name. If you are there, please drop no on Dewo for us to know you are here. Ute, that's the word. Ute, that's the word. Chikezie, you have not made any comment on my observation that you have not bought our book. You have not said anything about it. I'm waiting for your comment on that. Okay? So, also Ben, both of you, you have not patronized our bookshop. Do that today. We are waiting for you to support us. Buy our book, not only supporting us, but also expanding your knowledge, expanding your learning capacity, and then helping others around you by even using it as gift to others. So Ben and Chikezie, okay, Chikezie has responded. I will reach you on that. How about Ben? Ben, you are still owing us. You have not patronized our bookshop. Almost everybody here has done that. I've not seen Ben. Chikezie has given his word. I'm waiting for Ben to respond to that. You need to patronize our bookshop. You need to support us to do more here, right? So we've gotten the word ute. Ute, that's correct. That's mat. Mat. So let's take the sentence. Gbasa ute n'ala. Gbasa ute n'ala. Spread the mat on the ground. Gbasa ute n'ala. Spread mat on the floor or on the ground. Gbasa ute n'ala. Spread mat on the floor. Okay? Chikeze has written, Gbasa ute ahụ n'ala. Spread that mat on the floor. That's what they have written. That's okay. That's okay. Gbasa ute ahụ n'ala. Okay? Chikezie, have written, accepted, or waiting for others to drop their own. I cannot say whether it's correct or not. Gbasa ute n'ala. Spread the mat on the floor, on the ground. Gbasa ute n'ala. Okay. Uzua, you are there. What about the rest? I've seen Uzua. I'm waiting for others to join up. Gbasa Clement, you have dropped your own. Gbasa ute n'ala. Okay. Ben, aga m eje website gị. Okay, Ben, thank you for that. Chugozie gị. Ben has given me assurance that he's going to visit our website for our books. Thank you. Chugozie gị. God bless you. Gbasa ute ahụ n'ala. Barbara, gbasa ute ahụ n'ala. Barbara, you're on fire. Ben said, gbasa ute n'ala. Okay? Almost everybody here are doing very well. Almost perfectly. Yeah, that's great. Now let's review our answers. I know more are dropping. Mariana drop. Gbasa ute n'ala. Great. Mariana, good effort. Okay, let's look at the answers and know which one is very perfect. Gbasa ute ahụ n'ala. Okay? Chikezie, you are very right, even though you added extra from what I said. Gbasa ute n'ala. I said, gbasa ute ahụ n'ala. You now added ute ahụ, which is that mat, which is also correct, right? And then because you are the first person to answer, your answer is correct. Accept that. Uzwa say, gbasa ute n'ala. That is exactly what I say, but your gbasa, Uzwa, is double A. Look at the way it sounded. Gbasa is double A, not one A. Gbasa. If it is one A, it becomes basa or basa. But basa is double A. So that is just the correction for Uzwa. Okay, the same correction is what Clement Emehe has to make. Then Barbara, Basa Ute ahụ n'ala. Correct. That is 100% for Barbara. Leba. Okay, Bembe, Basa Ute n'ala. Great. That's it. Okay, that's great. Mariana, Basa Ute n'ala. Okay, Mariana, why we remove one A between na and ala is what we call vowel swallow. Vowel swallow. Where two vowels come together, we remove one and use comma on top to represent one word, one alphabet is taken away from here. That's why you see where we put N, comma on top, and then Allah will follow. That's where we'll write it. If you look at others, you will see it like that. I'm talking to Mariana, so we don't write na Allah. It's not, we don't always write it like that. We let one vowel go. When there are two coming together in one place, one will go off, then we use comma on top to make the pronunciation sweet and smooth. Basa ute na Allah. We don't say na Allah. It's repetition. It's like tautology. So we just take away one and use comma on top. Look at what others have written. That's where it appears. Nala, nala, nala. Aside that, sorry, I was logged off by network. All right, back again. What is the next alphabet after U? What is the next alphabet? Okay, I'm waiting for the next alphabet. Please drop it. O, Ozua, you are there. That's U with dot under. That's great. U with dot under. Sorry, network, you're just pushing me off and on. Thank you for staying on and waiting for that. That's Nigeria network for you. So the next alphabet is O, that is U with dot under. Remember, the one without dot is U. This one is O. A little bit lighter in pronunciation. Right. Those are the alphabets. We are dropping it. That's great. And the word is ota. Ota, which is bow. Bow. That is, we have bow and arrow. Arrow is ako, but bow is ota. So give me the word. Ozua has shots. Ota, great. Chikezie has shots. Ota, great. Who else is shooting? Ota, bow. 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 Ota. Barbara. Ota, you doesn't have dot under. Barbara. So it's not correct. Ota, bow. Clement, you're right. Who else is shooting the word? Okay. So let's take the sentence. Tinye ako n'ụta gị. Tinye ako n'ụta gị. Put arrow into your bow. Tinye ako n'ụta gị. Put arrow into your bow. Tinye ako n'ụta gị. Tinye ako n'ụta gị. Put arrow into your bow. Right? Now shoot it. Shoot it now in the chat. Write the sentence for us. Tinye ako n'ụta gị. Put arrow into your bow. Ozua, tinye ako n'ụta gị. Ozua, I salute your courage. Ozua is taking first position now. She's not giving any space for anybody again. Tinye ako n'ụta gị. You know why? What Ozua is doing is very good. You don't have to be perfect before you write the answer. You just have to test your ability to recognize the sound and convert it to sentence. That's what we're doing here. It's a drill. So you don't have to wait for others to write so that you can see what they wrote before you write your own. No. That is not the goal here. The goal is for you to be able to listen to the sound, see if you can appreciate the sound and the alphabet that goes with them, and be able to form the sentence using the right alphabet. That's what makes you a master in the language. So it's not about waiting for others to write so they can see what they wrote. No, shoot it. As I say it, write what you were able to grab from the sound of my voice. And that makes you a speaker. That makes you a writer. Even if you don't get it, you can be sure you'll be corrected. So it doesn't matter. But what matters is that you're able to test your level of understanding of the alphabet and how to use it and to form a sentence with that. So it's very important. That's why what Ozua is doing is most appreciated. By now, even though her messages are coming late, but now she's coming first, showing that she's writing exactly the way I'm saying it. She's writing it. She's not waiting for anybody. So, tinye ako n'ụta gị. Okay. Chikezie wrote tinye ako na ụta gị. Okay. Where is Marijana? She deleted her own again. Clement, tinye ako n'ụta gị. Good effort. Mariana, tinye ako n'ụta gị. Okay. Tinye ako n'ụta gị. Great. Barbara, tinye ako n'ụta gị. Great. Okay. Mariana is correcting herself. That is ako. She wanted to write, not ako, not you without dot under, because that's the alphabet we're talking about. Ako with dot under. That's great. So if I take it from there, let me do the correction now. Okay. So Ozua, you tried by shooting first. Okay. But now your ako is not correct. We're giving the spelling of ako. Okay. We're dealing with ota. Okay. Ako is AKU with dot under. Okay. N'ụta. The word we are dealing with here is ota, not ota. You wrote ota. Is ota. We've written the spelling already before we start making sentence. So is U with dot under and TA. Then nota is N comma on top. Then U with dot under and TA. Nota. You're talking about na ota. Then Chikezie wrote na otage, complete, not removing the A in front of O as a vowel swallow. That is not okay. So you have to remove the A, put N with dot with comma on top, and followed by ota. Let me go on. Clement here. Tinya kono tage. Your G is not correct. Your G doesn't have dot under. That is the I at the back of G. It doesn't have dot under. I'm still going. Mariana, Ako, your Ako doesn't have dot under, but you corrected it down there. And even your G, the I at the back of G doesn't have dot under. You wrote G, not G. Then Barbara, Tinya Ako no tagi. Your Ako doesn't have dot under the U, and your I doesn't have dot under. Your U also under outer doesn't have dot under. Let me see, go on. El Nozua, Tinya Kono Tage have done the correction now, and that is the real answer. Clement has also done correction, Tinya Kono Tage. So look at the two corrections down by Ozua, Elin, and Clement Emehe. Both of them are correct. That is the right spelling and right sentence, right? So the next one is V as we drive down to Z without wasting time. So the next alphabet is what? Even though I've said it. What is the next alphabet? Drop it for us. Next alphabet, drop it for us. V, that's correct. V, 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 okay. Elinozua, V, that's correct. That's the next alphabet. And that was the word, even though others are still dropping. Mariana, that's correct. Then Barbara, that's correct. Who is dropping again? Who have not seen his own or her own. Okay. Ozua dropped. Mariana, Chikezie, Ben has not dropped. Right. Now the word is voro. 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 Which means hatched. That is the past tense of hatch. Hatch as a verb is vor, but the past tense of vor is voro, 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 voro. What is the word? Ozua has written voro. Okay, that's a good effort, but I'm waiting for others. The word is voro, voro. Okay, Mariana has written, Ozua has written, Barbara has written, but I want to tell you that one of our newest students, Mariana, is the one that got the answer. Voro. Chikeze has just followed. But the first person to get the answer is Mariana, which is V, U with dot under, R, and U with dot under, Voro. Past tense of hatch, which is hatched. Hatched, past tense. Hatched. Okay? Thank you, Mariana, for your effort today. And the sentence is Okuko voro aqua. Okuko voro aqua. The hen hatched egg. The hen hatched egg. Okuko voro aqua. Who is dropping? Who is shooting first? Okuko voro aqua. Great. Ozua is not giving any space at all. Ozua is on fire. Yeah. We're going to give Mrs. Ozua a fire emoji after this sentence correction. Okay, she is shooting first, and I can bet you her shot is correct. Okoko voro aqua, hen hatched eggs. Okay, what are other people waiting for? Okoko voro aqua. Others have refused to drop their answers. Maybe they are shy. that they are not first, but I expected you to drop your answers. Ọkụkọ vụrụ akwa. Ọkụkọ vụrụ akwa. Where are your answers now? I'm not seeing it. Okay, Mariana has come in. Ọkụkọ vụrụ akwa. Great. Yes. Where are the other ones? Where are the others? Barbara, Ọkụkọ vụrụ akwa. Barbara, your alphabets are not having the dots under. I don't know whether you don't have the Igbo, this thing yet. Ana m eri nri. Okay, Chikezie says eating now. Ya mere m ji na-agaghị aza ajụjụ gị n'oge. Okay, Chikezie is taking the school, says she's eating now. He will be listening. He cannot really answer questions now. Bembe ọkụkọ vụrụ akwa. Akwa. Great. Bembe has even given the tone mark, which is great. And those tone marks are correct. Low, high. Akwa, low, high. The tone marks are correct. Okay? So those answers are correct, except for Barbara, that doesn't have dots under her vowels as expected. Maybe she doesn't have the Igbo alphabets in her phone yet. I mean, the Igbo keyboard. We go to the next alphabet, and what is that? But I want to reach down to Z because of time. We're about to round up. So what is the next one? Next alphabet? W. Okay, W. Okay, Chikezie, you are right. You are right. W is the next alphabet. That's sorry, I was logged up by internet. I'm back again. Is pushing me. Yeah, I'm back. Sorry for the interruptions, and thank you for holding on. It is not our making, but the internet connectivity in this part of the world. So, wa is the next one. What is the spelling of the word wa? Split, as we split wood, firewood or wood generally. What is it? Wa. Drop the spelling for us. Wa. Yeah. Who is dropping the spelling? Wa. Split. Break it in pieces. Split the wood. Wa. Chikezie. That's correct. That is the spelling. So, and the sentence now is wa nkụ ahụ. Wa nkụ ahụ. Split that firewood. Wa nkụ ahụ. Split that firewood. Okay, we are back. Sorry for the interruption. Wa nkụ ahụ. Okay, Mrs. Ozua had dropped her answer, wa nkwahu. That is great. Where are the rest? Wa nkwahu. Split that firewood. Wa nkwahu. Yeah, I'm waiting for the response from other people. Wa nkwahu. Split that firewood. Wa nkwahu. Where are your answers? Okay, Clement has dropped. Okay, Chikeze has dropped. First, followed by Clement. Barbara, you have not dropped the answer to the sentence we say you should make. Wa nkwahu. Ellen Ozua has dropped her own. Wa nkwahu. We're about to take the corrections. Mariana has dropped her own. Wa nkwahu. Okay, good effort. Okay, let's do the corrections. Please, I expect all of us to, tap on the like button for this video or this live session. Please do that because that will also help us to, push the video when it is posted, so that Google will be able to, show that, know that people appreciate this video, and it will help to push it to others. So it's good that you just tap the like button or the like, button there, up there, so that this video can get to others by way of recommendation. So just be sure you like this live session. It will go a long way. So as we go on. So we have seen wa nkwahu. Wa nkwahu, that's correct. Let's look at the first person that dropped the answer, Chikezie, which is very correct. Wa nkwahu. Right. Clement Emehe, your sentences doesn't have dot under. Your vowel doesn't have dot under. Ellen Ozua, very correct. Mariana, your vowels doesn't have dot under. You should have dot under. The same with Barbara. Except for that, every other thing is okay, right? And the next alphabet as we drive to Z is what? What is the next alphabet? What is the next alphabet? What is the next alphabet? Okay, Y or Y? Yeah, alphabet Y or Y. Okay, that's correct. That's the next alphabet. And the word, that's great. And the word we have here is, I'm afraid some people are having network issue because some of us are not here now. I don't know what happened. Maybe they are having network issues. I know they will join back again. So the word is yipu. Yipu. Put off your cloth. Yipu. Take off. Take off. Yipu may not be cloth, it may be shoe. But generally, yipu is take off. As you take off the things you put on your body, yipu. It could be clothes, it could be shoe, it could be anything. Yipu. Okay, I've seen Ozwa drop the spelling. Who else is trying to drop the spelling of yipu? Who else is dropping that? Yipu. Yes, I'm waiting for others to drop their own. Mariana has dropped her own, yipu. Okay, good effort. Where are the rest? Good effort. Where are the rest? Where are the rest? Yipu. Okay, nobody has gotten the spelling right. It's not yipu, it's yipu. Okay, Chikeze has gotten the spelling right. The I and the U doesn't have dot under. They don't have dot under. It's yipu, not yipu. Yipu. Okay. Now the sentence. The sentence. Elinozua. Good. You have corrected yourself now. Okay. Now the sentence comes. Yipu akwage. Yipu akwage. Pull off your clothes. Take off your clothes. Yipu akwage. Yipu akwage. Take off your clothes. Can you write that now? Yipu akwage. Take off your clothes. I don't have the keyboard. Okay, I understand. Barbara is saying she doesn't have the Igbo keyboard. That's why her wordings are not coming in correctly by the right alphabet. I believe you are going to download that later after this session. Like I said earlier, check your keyboard setting in your phone or computer. Go to keyboard setting, search for Igbo keyboard, QWERTY keyboard, Igbo, select it and add it to your English keyboard. It will be displayed English, American English, or British, or whatever. It will also display Igbo. So you can always switch to whatever you want, or look for Igbo keyboard in the app and download, but be sure the site you are downloading from. Okay, Yipu Akwage, that's right. Yipu. Oh, Barbara, I believe you didn't look at what your keyboard gave you when you are sending your message. You wrote Yipu, always gi. I know that always is not what you want to write. You want to write Aqua. But the keyboard gave you suggestion, but you didn't look at your suggestion. Barbara, look at what you wrote always. But I know that's not what you wanted to write. I'm sure the keyboard gave you option, and you didn't look at the option you selected. Sorry, somebody is trying to call me and is interrupting my network. And that is not funny at all. But we want to drive to Z and then round up this. So Yipo Akwage, let me see those who have got the answer. Okay, from Elinozua, Aqua, Aqua, Aqua. The sound, the tone for aqua you try to put is high, low. Aqua is high, low, not low, low. I'm talking to Ozua. Okay, Yipo Akwagi is simply if you don't want to put the tone mark, there's no problem. So Chikeze got it, Clement got it. Okay, Ben Ben got it with the right tones. Aqua, high, low. Barbara, I said you should correct yourself. You wrote something else. I think you followed the suggestion of the keyboard and he misled you. Mariana, Yipu Akwage. Yipu Akwage. That's correct. That's correct. All of you try. And finally, we're getting to destination. Z, the final alphabet. Z, the final alphabet. So, what is the word? Zacha, sweep. Zacha, sweep. Zacha, sweep. Write a word for us. Zacha, we're coming to the end of today's session. Zacha, sweep. Zacha, sweep. Write a word. Ozua, Zacha, you tried. Ozua tried. Zacha, sweep. Clement has got it correctly. So that Clement is the first person to get it correct. Okay, Mariana, Zacha, correct. Ozua has corrected herself. Zacha, that's great. Okay, Barbara, you have not written anything. Zacha, sweep. Zacha, okay, Barbara is in. Zacha, sweep, that's great. All of you have done great, wonderfully well. That is the spelling. Zacha, you are all correct. Sweep. So let's take the word. Zacha ulo ani, sweep our house. Zacha ulo ani, sweep our house. Zacha ulo ani, sweep our house. As we come almost, as I'm waiting for you to drop your response, please click on the like button to like this our live session as we're about to end it up now. It's important that you like it so that Google can be able to pick it and send to others. So Zachaulani, Chikezie, I dropped his own. Uzua, Zachaulani, great. Where are the rest? This is the final one, so make sure you drop your answer before we wrap up. Drop your answer. Zachaulani. This is the last sentence for today and the last drill for today. So be sure you are dropping your answer. Don't be left behind. I just got two, Chikezi and Ozua. Where are the rest? Okay. Mariana is here. Zachaolani. Okay. Barbara is here. Zacha Oto Ani. Okay, Barbara, please pay attention to what you are typing so that you don't, I'm sure the keyboard always suggests something to you. Please look at it before you send it. I know you want to write Olo, but you wrote Oto. Instead of L, it gave you T, and you accepted it. I saw that happen before, and it happened again now. So pay attention to your keyboard. I'm talking to Barbara. So, Bem Bem, Apia, go like button. Okay, I only saw one more person that clicked the like button. No, all of you have not done that. So, Clement Emehe, Zachaolani, all your answers are correct. Bembem Zachaolani, make Odiocha, great. Ben, you are advanced already. I can see you are showing that you are not just a learner, but you are advanced already in Igbo language. And we appreciate you being here to support others who are coming up like you. So appreciate all of you. Please click the like button if you have enjoyed this session. If you think this session has been beneficial to you and you have learned something from this session, click the like button in this particular live window. Look at the like button and click it now before we round up. Today we considered the remaining alphabet from Nwe down to Z in our speaking scale and drill. We looked at all the alphabets and picked words for each of them and made sentences with them. We believe this has helped you to challenge your listening skill, sound knowledge, and alphabet knowledge. That is important in Igbo language because most times you're going to listen to people say something. You need to be able to attach wordings to it and meanings to it. And if you don't know the sound of the alphabet, you can't fix it in a sentence, it will be very difficult for you. So this drill is meant to keep you abreast and challenge your understanding of the sound of the alphabet, sound of the words, the meaning of the words. And all of all that participated in today's session did excellently well. I also saw those who are joining for the first time that challenge us so much, like Mariana and the rest of them. And that is very encouraging. Barbara, too, joined today and performed very well. So we want you to take note of all we have done. Those who wrote some things down, you did well. Go through your notes again and practice what we have done today again and again so that thank you for waiting. Okay. Yeah, I'm back. So visit our store so that you can visit our store, go through our books there, click on them and buy. Remember, the books are special. They have both text, pictures, audio, everything bundled in one to make you learn even faster. Buy it, go through it, share it, give it as gift to other people, and I can assure you, as you do, when we come next, you would have advanced your Igbo learning. See you again next Saturday. Emailer, Bye.